So now we can take a look how to apply color on a body. Suppose my first case is I want the same color the whole body other than this silver. Okay, just click Control J. After clicking Control J, go in the filter, select solid body and select the particular body. Click OK. After clicking OK, one edit object display pan pop up. In edit object display, in opposite of color, one rectangular box is there. Click on that rectangular box. So I want the cyan color for this whole body. Click OK. Here you want to pay attention. In opposite of the color, your earlier selected color must be there. If it is not there, then you're not going to select it right color. Okay, just click OK. Okay, then I want these two vertical faces with different color. For this, press again Ctrl J. In class selection, go to the filters. In type filter, click on type filter option. In selected by type, click face. Click OK. Then click two faces. Click OK. Again, edit object display pan pop up. In opposite of color, select click on the rectangular box. Now here I want this green color. Click OK. Okay, now I want this whole three features and blend with single color. Now this time go to the part navigator, select edge blend and extrude by using shift or control. Right click, assign feature color. In assign feature color, select on specify color. In opposite of face color, click on rectangular box and select whatever you color you want. Suppose here I am selecting magenta color. Click OK. The full picture gets color. Okay. Now the case is this horizontal face also want the green. What instead of I want to find this on color palette. Instead of this, just click Ctrl J. Go to the face type filter. OK. Select the face. Click OK. Click on inherit option. Select face to inherit. Click OK. Okay. So this is the way you can apply the color on the body. You can apply with a single by feature also. Suppose I want all the blends with the white color. Then go to the click on the edge blend, right click, assign feature color, specify color, click on the rectangular box, select white color, click OK. Okay. Okay. Now again you want the different color on this all the flat sides. Then again suppose first you selected face here, from here selected two face, click on Ctrl J. In color, click on rectangular box, select color what you want. Select here ID is 125. Click OK. So here the color is not selected cards. I'm not pay attention while selecting here. The color is not changed on this box. That is why the color is not changed. Now look, this color is changed. Thank you.